Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW 3 Series guys. So if you have a BMW 3 Series from year 2012 to year 2018 guys and you're trying to remove your roof molding trim, stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least guys 200 free repair videos. On BMW F33 series guys, F31, we will have probably more than, I would say, 300 to 400 repair videos. We'll be taking it completely apart. We did timing chain replacement, all that is coming as well guys. This is a weak spot on those engines, so please subscribe. Our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make all these videos. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing these free videos. All the tools and parts that we use guys, or if you need to buy any special tools, parts for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get our stuff from. So, what I'm talking about guys, okay, if you need to remove or replace, okay, you can see that trim piece for the roof, okay, right here, for the roof, that molding trim piece guys, we'll show you how to do that today. So make sure you stay with us, we're going to cover everything. Now it's very important how you guys remove it, because if you're not careful you can guys break it. So we're going to come towards the rear window here, on the rear window side, and we're going to start right here with a plastic panel removal tool guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, and there is a couple clips, okay, and you just start popping them loose guys, okay. You can see how they come out. It's important guys, okay. Let me see which one will be easier if I come on this side. If you come from the outside, I think they come out a little bit easier guys. Let's demonstrate now. Okay, and then we come to right here. Okay, and we, I think, have only one more. Perfect. And you can see guys, it came loose. Okay, this is that trim molding, okay, right there. The whole thing came out, you can see just like that. Those are the clips guys, okay, that hold everything in place here. So all together, okay, let's hold it this way so I can show you where the clips are. You have one on the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips that we needed to remove, and you can see it came out just like that. So that's how you guys remove the trim molding piece. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help. If you guys need to buy a replacement one or anything like that, we will try to share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So thank you for the support, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.